Hey everybody, Sweet Willy here. It's March had just started. We still got a few more weeks left to the weather starts getting a little better, so I hope this finds you very well and all that other good stuff. And you guys are getting through everything that the the world is presenting. But anyway, I was asked a few weeks ago to do a product review of water filtration, Epic water filters. The idea is to get the contaminants that are in our water supply that come out. I mean, the wastewater treatment plants and all that do a very good job in getting the really bad stuff, but they can only do so much. And there are trace elements of chemicals, fluorides, even pharmaceuticals. What we want to do is take as much of that stuff out there, and the only way to do that is through filtration. So what we have here is Epic water filters. I'll have a link to all this. So we're going to do an unboxing here. A whole bunch of things about lab results and the instruction sheets. If you go onto their Epic water filters website, you'll see the data, okay, with all the different compounds and everything that these filter out. They're striving for, and they're achieving a 99.9% rating of filtering out all this stuff. And these data sheets will show you the list of chemicals and not good stuff, that it pulls out. So this is really pretty simple. So simply what we're doing is we're filling up the pitcher, filtering out the nonsense, and pretty much that's what it is. The idea is to clean your water, and the other side benefit is taking these things out of the landfills, okay? These are the half-liter bottles. One filter element is good for 565 liters. 1,130 of these. And that comes out to about 47 cases. If you average that out to about $5 a case of water when you go to the supermarket, it comes out to $235. Whereas one of these is a fraction. The filter element here is a fraction of that. So it's good money well spent, and all you got to do is fill the pitcher up every time it's empty. So again, it's a nice trade-off that I think is worth noting. Okay, so again, we'll take this thing apart. We got our lid, and so we've got our filter. Comes with the filter. Okay, and this filter element. Okay, simply screws apart like so. These are the replacement elements. You can order whatever color you need, and then you just screw this back on like so. Nice and simple, right? And there is a meter on that measures how much time you have left on your filter element. Let's give it a go. I'm going to fill this up. I'm going to take this over to the sink. Let's fill this up and see what comes out of it. Let's see. We're going to time this. It's 12:32. We'll see how long this thing takes to run its course, and we'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So it took 10 minutes to get this to this level here, okay? And that's pretty good. Just wanted to show you too, this was the timer that we see. So what you would do is you would press and hold the start to get the 90-day, the 90-day timer going for the filter life. So again, it gives you an approximation of how long this goes. This is a 3.5 liter capacity. I would go with using this during the course of the day. Before you go to sleep at night, fill it up, and you've got your filtered water here. Filter life. We'll give you some of the numbers here. We've got 150 gallons each filter life will take care of. Again, you go on the website, they have a whole laundry list of the different testing results. And I think this is something that, again, if you do not have any water filtration and you do use a lot of these, this is absolutely something to consider. I'll have the links to the product. We do have an affiliate program. I'll even give you the discount code. There is a subscription plan that allows you to get one of these sent to you every 3 or 4 months or so, depending on what your, what do you call it, replacement cycle is. There are discount codes. You know, they'll give you a coupon for each filter element. And again, I normally don't do these types of products, but I think it's important, right? We want cleaner water. We want healthier water. You know, as the warmer weather comes, you're going to be drinking more water. And I know since we have gone to filtered water and the like, we're not using these in our house anymore. So we're not contributing to the landfills. You know, depending on your locale, some have recycling facilities, some municipalities don't. So why risk it? Just get it out of the waste stream. So Epic Water Filters. Epic Water is the name of the company. Epic Water Filters. I think this is definitely something worthwhile looking at. And with that being said, I want to thank everybody for watching, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.